Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will create too many Google Chrome in your laptop or PC. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Google Chrome. If you have only one Chrome, then open it. So I have that kind of Google Chrome. So here you can see the icon of your Gmail account. So you need to click on it. So after this, scroll down and here the option of add, so click on it. After this, continue without an account, click on it. So here you put whatever the name of new Google Chrome, any temporary name or any random name. So I am writing random. So after the selecting of Google Chrome name, click on done. So here you can see the random is created. So if we go to desktop, so this one is first one, our Google Chrome. So minimize it. So if you want to create a shortcut of your new Google Chrome on desktop, then I will guide you. So open your new Google Chrome. So that was created. So click on icon and click on settings. Click on it and find the new Google Chrome that you created now. So I am created this random. Click on three dots and click on edits. After this, scroll down and create a shortcut, desktop shortcut. So on it. So after this, cut it. So here you can see the random Chrome is created on desktop. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share.